Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make simple 2D design for the beginners. See, here is a just simple part of mechanical. See, uh, here circle diameter, outer diameter radius 25 radius. That means diameter is 50, and inner diameter 25 millimeter. See, here line 79 millimeter and a smaller. See, smaller is equal and one gap thickness 16 millimeter. Okay, and bottom one 72 millimeter and height 75 millimeter. Okay, and distance between origin point to right 57 millimeter and left see 79 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First I take here new. Okay, and part. Okay, now I shows right plane. Okay, right plane and sketch. See, right plane. Now I make first two circle, center point circle, one and two, and give the diameter. See, outer circle diameter here 50 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 25 millimeter. Okay, now I choose line. So click line. Okay, one and two. I need two line here to here. Okay, and click the line, hold Control key and circle, make it tangent relation. Make sure this line horizontal. See, now horizontal. And same this, click this line and hold Control key, click outer circle. Make relation tangent. Okay, make sure it's horizontal. Okay. Now I cut this unexpected line. So first let trim entities and power trim, and this is cut it. Let's define. So the smart dimension center to this point here distance 79 millimeter. Okay, and here also 60 millimeter. Okay, and height 75 millimeter. Okay, now I choose offset. So first click offset and press this here. Okay, let's hit reverse. It's some problem because no no way to same time offset because it's out of the uh, circle. And here is okay, but it's not okay. That means let's one by one. First offset, click this line, so it's okay. Here distance 16 millimeter, thickness. Oh, and let's another one. Offset, click this, and it's reverse. It's same 16. Okay. I just show one option the back, and let's again sketch offset. Select this. Here is showing offset reverse, so it's reverse. But I need to cap this side. So here is cap in. Click this. Cap in. Here is arc, but I need to straight line. So here is the option arc in line, but I need to line. See, it's line. Click OK. Okay. Or you make to take the line. Okay. Now I cut this inner portion. First choose trim entities and power trim and cut this inner portion and also this. Oh. Our 2D design is okay. If you want, you can make this 3D. Here option is freezer and extrude boss. It's just simple. That's why I show. Here I give 50. Okay, see it's goes to 3D. See, here is 3D model. Okay, thanks to watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.